Hey guys, so I hope you are watching my all the videos on YouTube channel, and let's start with our today's session. But before starting our today's session, I just wanna revise that what we did in our previous sessions. So previously we did so many topics, but in all that videos, one topic was one of the important topic, and that was the Mobius theorem. So hope you all did very well, guys, and so many examples we all already have practiced. So today I'm going to with the same part only, complex, and with our next topic, that is roots of complex number. Okay, guys. So here I have written some important notes regarding roots of the complex numbers, and this one is very much important because these concepts I have given for the examples only. Okay, because in examples we will do with the same procedure only. So starting with the roots of complex variables. Okay, so De Moivre's theorem can be used to find all n roots and of a complex number. Okay, and since we know that, okay, this one we already know that the cos theta equals to, we can write cos of 2k pi plus theta, because see यहाँ पे हमें थीटा चेंज भी नहीं करना है. ओके, एंगल को हमें चेंज नहीं करना है. इट मीन्स अगर हम लोग 90 अप्लाई करेंगे पाई प्लस, देन इट विल बी चेंज्ड, राइट. So here I am applying 2k pi plus theta. It means the angle will not be changed, and same I am applying for the sine also. So sin theta equals to sine of 2k pi plus theta, where k belongs to z. So this one is very much important part, and this one we are going to apply in our examples also. So by using the Moivre's theorem, and you know very well now that what is a De Moivre's theorem, and that is cos theta plus I sin theta whole raised to the 1 upon n equals to, okay, this one we know, this one is a step from the De Moivre's theorem, right. So यहाँ पे here I am applying, in place of cos I am applying cos of 2k pi plus theta. So here I am writing that term only, that cos of, in place of theta we can write 2k pi plus I as it is, and sine 2k pi plus theta whole raised to the 1 upon n power. Okay, now applying the Moivre's theorem. Okay, so that will be, जो पावर में होगा वो कहाँ पे आ जाएगा, दैट विल बी moves for the angle. So here it will be cos of 2k pi plus theta upon the n, or same here plus I sin theta 2k pi plus theta upon the n. Okay, now here I am applying so many cases of k मैंने यहाँ पे supposition किया है, and this one is for the roots. k का notation हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे ऐड किया है, and that this notation is basically used for the to find the roots of nth power. Okay, so by putting one by one all the values of k, so first of all I'm putting k equals to 0. 0 से start होगी, 0 1 2 up to the n minus 1. Okay, so by putting k equals to 0 1 up to n minus 1 successively, we get n distinct values of cos theta plus I sin theta all raised to n. Of course, if we will put one by one all the different values of k, then we will get different outputs of De Moivre's theorem, right. So first of all I am applying k equals to 0, guys. So यहाँ पे मैं apply कर रही हूँ in place of k 0, so that will be cos of theta upon n plus this one will be again 0, so plus I sin theta upon n. Now same applying k equals to 1, so that one will be cos of, in place of theta k we have to put 1, so that will be 2 pi plus theta upon n, and same for the sin. Same applying k equals to 2 and up to the n minus 1. So thus for each z equals to r cos theta plus I sin theta, यानी कि r c theta does not equals to 0, then there exists exactly n values of nth root of z. So जब आपको फाइंड करना है, जब आपको क्वेश्चन में ऐसा दिया होगा कि जस्ट फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ दिस वन, ओके, कि भाई फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ फिफ्थ ऑफ यूनिटी, और फोर्थ रूट फाइंड करो, या और सेकेंड रूट फाइंड करो, एक्सेट्रा. So in place at that time you have to apply this one formula. So z raised to n यहाँ पे जो मैंने z की फॉर्मूला लिखी है, दिस वन वी ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्टडीड इन आवर प्रीवियस सेशन, ओके, यानी कि इन आवर फर्स्ट सेशन ओनली. सो z रेज टू 1 अपॉन n इक्वल्स टू, ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे भी हो जाएगा उसका n पावर 1 अपॉन n पावर. सो r रेज टू 1 अपॉन n और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा cos ऑफ 2k पाई प्लस थीटा अपॉन n प्लस i साइन 2k पाई upon plus theta upon n, right, and which is does not equals to 0. So here I have applied for the 1 upon nth power. So this one will be your final solution. Now this one we are applying in examples. So here I have written the first example of this, and you can see that here it's written a question that find the fifth root of unity, यानी कि फिफ्थ रूट यानी कि 1 अपॉन फिफ्थ. ओके, सो हमें फिफ्थ यूनिटी फाइंड करनी है इसके लिए. सो इक्वेशंस वी विल टेक फ्रॉम दी आर नोट्स ओनली. सो लेट x is to 5 equals to 1, fifth root of unity. It means the notation of this will be x is to 5 equals to 1. Unity यानी कि 1, fifth root यानी कि x raised to 5. Okay, so this one I am writing in our mathematical steps, so that will be x raised to 5 equals to 1. Okay, now in place of 1 you have to convert into the cis form, यानी कि cos theta plus i sin theta फॉर्म में आपको कन्वर्ट करना है 1 को. यहाँ पे जो भी वैल्यू मिल रही है उसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है. So I am writing here cos 0 plus i sin 0, because cos 0 1 and sin 0 0, so this one will be 0 and cos 0 will be 1. Okay, so therefore x is to 5 equals to, okay, now you know very well in place of theta what we are putting, that 2k pi plus theta, right? So here I am same applying. In place of theta we will write 2k pi plus theta, but here you can see that I have not written theta, right, because यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने एंगल चेंज किया है, that will be the based on the unity. यहाँ पे unity है यानी कि 1 यानी कि cos 0 plus i sin 0, तो एंगल हमारा यहाँ पे कौन सा होगा, that will be 0 फॉर्म. सो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2k pi plus 0 as well as plus i sin 2k pi plus 0. ओके, नाउ 2k pi plus 0 यानी कि that will be only 2k pi. सो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है guys 2k pi. okay, I'm also highlighting this so that you can get very well. See, I have written here cos 2k pi plus I 2k pi. okay, now so therefore x equals to, यहाँ पे हम लोग रिमूव कर रहे हैं पावर को. ओके, so of course on the both sides we have to apply 1 upon fifth power. So I'm applying on both these sides, so that will be x equals to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole is to the 1 upon fifth power. Okay, now applying De Moivre's theorem, as you know very well now, right? This fifth will be moved to the angle. So यहाँ पे हो जाएगा cos of 2k pi upon 5 plus I sin 2k pi upon 5. Now see guys, अगर यहाँ पे 5 है, then it will be cos 5 to यानी कि 10k pi plus I sin 10k pi. Okay, if it's given angle as an only 5 form. Okay, so here it will be cos 2k pi upon 5 plus I sin 2k pi upon 5. Now see, k की वैल्यू आपको पता है, it is starting from 0 0 1 2 up to the n minus 1 form. So यहाँ पे you can see that what will be your n, so n will be 5, right? 5 यानी कि up to the उसका nth पावर क्या होगा, nth टर्म उसकी क्या होगी, that will be n minus 1, यानी कि 5 minus 1 यानी कि till the 4. So k equals to, we will put here 0 1 2 and 0 1 2 3 and 4. So one by one you have to apply the values of k, and see I have written here in place of k I am putting 0, then after 1 2 3 and 4. So यहाँ पे मैंने किया है this one putting 0, then you are getting 1. If you will get put k equals to 1, then you will get this kind of the output, that cos 2 pi upon 5 plus I sin 2 pi upon 5. Same for this one. Okay, यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है guys, यहाँ पे मैंने उसको शॉर्ट एंगल में कन्वर्ट किया है, राइट, बिकॉज 6 pi upon 5 it means we can apply pi plus or pi minus form, right? So here I have applied cos of pi plus pi upon 5, and same for the sine. नाउ पाई प्लस यानी कि 90 डिग्री, सॉरी 180 डिग्री। सो पाई प्लस यानी कि थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस कौन सा होगा, दैट विल बी नेगेटिव फॉर्म। सो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है माइनस कॉस पाई अपॉन दी 5। सेम फॉर दी साइन, पाई प्लस पाई यानी कि 180 डिग्री, 180 प्लस 180 में फंक्शन चेंज नहीं होने वाला, राइट। नाउ पाई प्लस यानी कि थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तो याद करो गाइज, ऑल एस टी सी, राइट। सो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में ऑफ कोर्स साइन और कोस बोथ विल बी इन नेगेटिव सेंस, सो दैट विल बी minus I sin pi upon 5, and same for we will apply k equals to 4. Okay guys, so here you are going to find the roots, and these all are known as the roots. Again I'm highlighting guys, these all are your roots, this one and this one. Okay, so इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है गाइस ओमेगा, ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ओमेगा क्यूब, ओमेगा 4. Okay, and omega square actual what, that is this one, cos 4 pi upon 5 plus I sin 4 pi upon 5. Okay, so hope you all understood guys these examples, and more examples we will do the practice in our next session. Plus till that I hope you will do these concepts, these are all the notes of the roots of unity and its examples. So thank you guys, we will meet in our next session.